Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, we got some dub wheels. There's some light rash right there on the edge, and a little bit here. And it looks like maybe some paint, they maybe ran over some paint or something, so it splattered in the little spokes there. So you're going to see that in some spots. You got the Nittos. They are 305 45 22s, date code 2024. Looking at the tread, overall looks good. Got the pearl white paint, that looks nice. A couple little rock chips, that light looks good. A-pillar's nice and clean. Of course, you're gonna have a few little rock chips down here from the tires. Got some little scratches on that plastic. And then down here, you have some rock chips on that edge, and then you have a deep gash right there. And then you're gonna have some little chips in here as well. That tread looks pretty good. Date code 2025. Once again, a couple chips. And it looks like they may have ran over some paint or something, so you got some splatters on there. Looking at the front end, we'll scan the hood. Little rock chip, tiny rock chip there, a couple small ones, and you have a couple here. But otherwise, in great condition. Now, looking at that plastic piece, you're gonna have little impacts, little things like that. You're gonna have rock chips here on that lower side. But I don't see any damage larger than just the rock chips. And then looking at this plastic piece, it is bowing out just a hair. That side's perfect though. Got a little rock chip there. Some very light scuffs on that side. You can't really feel them with your nail. Looking at that wheel, some very light rash in a couple spots. It's pretty subtle though. Date code 2024 on that tire. A few small rock chips. A little rock chip there, a couple here. A few chips on the edge. Little chip there. Like I said, all pretty subtle. 2024 date code. We're gonna have some rock chips on that edge, pretty common. Tail light looks good, light bar looks amazing. Tail light looks good. Scanning that bumper. Nice and clean. Got the Ultraflex hard bed cover. You have a bed mat. Typical scuffs and scratches, normal use. And you have the tailgate step. All right, looking at the interior, absolutely gorgeous. Love the two-tone seats. Got the B&O audio. Massive screen. It's a non-smoker. Pretty cool sequence that it does too. It's pretty cool. Alcantara inserts here. Got this really nice wood grain memory seating, gloss black trim. Couple light marks there. The rest of that looks good. WeatherTech mats front and back. Looking at that bolster, overall in great condition. Now right here on that very edge, you're going to see a little bit of wear on that piping. Same here. But for the most part, that's in great condition. Steering wheel looks good. Here's all your buttons. Pedals, power adjustable steering wheel, massive screen, trailer brake controller. All of this looks good. Now, you don't see this in person, that's just in camera, and if anything is flickering, once again, just in camera, not in person. Massive screen. Got the 360 camera. This thing is super cool. Got the cooled seats. You can tuck that down. Wireless charger, USB-C and a USB port. Got the built-in safe. And then when you have that handle down, you can flip this up. And you have a workbench. Very nice. Here on this door panel, you have the Alcantara inserts there. Gloss black trim, looks good. Tons of storage. Got your WeatherTechs. Plastic looks nice. That bolster looks incredible. Looks like no one really ever sat in this seat. Looks good. Got your upper glove box. Got your lower with all your owner's manual and stuff like that. Upper side of the dash looks good. Beautiful on this side. Here on the back right door panel, looks good. Got your WeatherTechs. You have some wrinkles here. It looks like a car seat was on both of these seats. So you're going to see that little indentation there. The rest of that looks good though. Heated seats, 120 volt outlet back here. Here on the front, you have your liner. All the plastics look good. Got some really nice LED lights in here, and of course, it is power. Here on the back left door panel, that looks nice. All this trim is clean. Once again, I think there's a car seat here. You can see the little indentions. But other than that, it's in great condition. Okay, we're going on a quick drive here. 67,710 miles on the odometer. Non-smoker. Just gonna do a quick test drive here. I love how quiet this is. Alignment feels perfect. Steering wheel's nice and straight. Thing has a lot of get up and go. Really cool. Suspension's nice. Got a pretty good turning radius there. Drives perfectly straight. This thing is super cool. I love these trucks. All that flickering you see here, the pink lights and everything, that's just in the camera. That's not in person. You cannot see any of that when you're driving the truck. Like I said, no complaints.